If you want to quickly check your SIM card number on a Samsung phone without installing any app, Samsung already provides built-in options inside the settings menu. In this guide, I'll show you two easy and professional methods to find your SIM card number instantly. Method 1. Check SIM number from About Phone first. Open the Settings app on your Samsung Galaxy device. Scroll down and tap on About Phone. On many Samsung phones, your phone number or SIM-related information may already appear on this screen. If the number is not visible, continue with these steps. Tap on Status Information. Select SIM card status. Here you can view important SIM details, including SIM status, network information, ICCID, CM serial number, phone number, if supported by your carrier. This method works on most Samsung devices running recent Android versions and is the fastest way to check SIM details without using any third-party application. Method 2. Use SIM Manager for dual SIM or eSIM devices. Samsung phones with dual SIM or eSIM support offer another simple method. Open Settings tab on Connections. Select SIM Manager. Inside SIM Manager, you'll see all active SIM cards connected to your device. This screen displays SIM names, mobile numbers linked to each SIM, active or inactive SIM status, preferred SIM for calls, messages, and mobile data. This method is especially useful if you use two SIM cards or an eSIM because it clearly identifies which number belongs to which SIM slot. Using these built-in Samsung features helps you instantly find your SIM card number safely and professionally without downloading any extra apps.